What's up, all you linear friction welding fanatics? Happy New Year! Frank here again for 2021. We've got some really cool stuff at Taylor-Winfield Technologies that we're going to be talking about, especially linear friction welding. We're going to weld some dissimilar materials today. A customer that we've had for a while has asked us to weld 4340 to 4140, two dissimilar materials. He uses an arc welding process today. He's looking for a full interface weld now, solid state bond, producing a better product. So stay tuned, we'll see what we can do. Well, welcome back. That was awesome. We're able to join these two dissimilar materials together, 4140, 4340, showing in slow motion how the heat builds across the whole interface, and then we show it to you in actual motion. 5 seconds. Come on, where else can you weld two parts together in 5 seconds and create a solid state bond? Let me know. Anyways, basically we did some micro sectioning. They're showing the 4140 top, 4340 at the bottom. You can see the line, you can see the intermixing of grains. This actually proved to be a very good weld. We did tensile testing. It broke well outside the weld and the heat affected zone. I think this customer is going to be extremely happy. So this is going to be a good year for Taylor-Winfield and hopefully the rest of the world. I want everybody to stay safe out there. Give me a call. You know I love talking about linear friction welding. Or visit our website, www.taylor-winfield.com. I'm happy to talk about anything that we do here. So Happy New Year once again, and we'll see you.